Hey everybody, I got a quick little video here for you, a little shop update. I finally got my shop cards in. I like to send them out to you guys, so right there is the channel with the new logo and the customized address, I guess you call it, web link, and also my Facebook page, strictly on the model cars. I did this in Photoshop and put all my latest favorite builds on there. Even got the Corvette I just did not too long ago. And I went through Vistaprint. They weren't too bad on pricing. So I'm going to have my email address in the description below. If you like one, send me your address through that. Don't put it in the comments. Don't know who's out there. And I'll mail one out to you. There's a few guys out there. I'm going to send a couple things to them. So once I get your address for these, I'll send you stuff that we were talking about before. That way I can just send one time, do a package to you guys, and get you more than one thing. But hopefully you like the shop card. It turned out pretty good. Not super glossy. I didn't go with the gloss. Save a little bit of money. So, alright. You guys have a great one. Let me know. Bye.